smaller than I actually thought.
We're starting here, starting right now. 1, 2, 3. We breathe it in. We feel our hearts, they're pounding, rising up to feel the fire dance wild through our veins. We take a chance and know we'll never be the same. Giving it all we got, giving it all. Giving it all we got. Oh, climbing up to the top of the world. No fear, we're gonna make it. Everything we want is ours. Whoa.
Hey guys, how you doing? How you doing? It rained. I think it rained a little bit last night, but in the late afternoon, after I was done with all that pizza and stuff, it's pouring down, wind blowing, and it appears we got some damage. We got a big old branch of the mango snapped right off of there. I don't see any burn marks. I don't think it was like lightning. It was just too much for it, I guess. But you know, that's a pretty powerful snap, man. And it looks like it's all fresh wood, so there's nothing rotten in there. I gotta go get my electric chainsaw and chop that up and put it in the back for, you know, we'll let it dry out for another burn pile. But dang, man. It was lucky. It could have actually fell across over here and landed on the dang awning, smashed it all up. That would have been not good. Let's try. I wanted to get my phone. Be right back. Yeah. I'm gonna get my phone, so I'm gonna take a few pictures. My nice new green, blue green. I guess you could call it green more than blue. Blue green. Pond, now that I changed the color. Although today is actually another day, I should go out here again first. I want to monitor this first time to see, you know, how quickly the water fades in color or changes in color. And this is the number 3 pond over here is where we put it in first, yeah. I don't know. That looks alright. Almost looks. Well, those are some shadows. This light here and darker shadows from the banana trees. Looks about the same. I don't know. It's the wrong time of day or whatever to look at. I was gonna try and remember the exact time of day that I looked at it yesterday, but I couldn't, or I didn't. But I do know that I do like it. I like it a lot. The color here, it's a nice green, nice mean green color. And the lilies are out. It's still early, kind of in the morning, so they're in bloom. Normally, like in probably within an hour or so, they'll start to close up, maybe even lay down. There's a couple still laying down over there. There's probably a bunch of them laying down underneath the lilies. They're struggling to come up. They haven't got their thing yet going. But yeah, nice. Have to get out there in my new inner tube. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, the chainsaw, man. Electric Avenue. I think, whoa, I think my batteries are charged. I did order a new blade because I found this blade was bent. It was bent a little bit. Wait a minute. Yeah, I wear my gloves. That's another aspect, you know, of just maintenance on the farm. Yeah, especially if you're going to have a lot of fruit trees, or just any tree really, is that the wind or Mother Nature can take out your trees, knock them over and stuff, and you got to clear that, man. Or floods come and wash out a bunch of sand and all this, you got to shovel that out, man. I mention this because, you know, it's just in contrast to you know, my former city life. I don't got to worry about none of that, man. Suppose you could worry about an earthquake and a building collapsing, but then even then, the government would do that. Gotta put some more cool stuff, counter paint on my feet. I'm gonna go over there for that tree cutting. I don't want any skeeters or bugs eating me. They do. Yesterday when I was working with those bushes, I got all that stuff all over me, and I did get bit by like 2 ants. And of course, the 2 spots they bit me in, I didn't have any of this stuff on. But all the other places where I had this stuff, nothing, not a problem. But I suppose if they really want to bite you, they'll find a way. But I got long sleeves on now, so hopefully, and mango trees are historically ant magnet, and they're the biting ants. So as I cut through all that, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if ants fall off the leaves and jump down on me, you know, or let themselves fall on me and find their way. So even after I'm done, I'll probably go and try and pick ants off me. Anyway, let's go cut a tree. Looks like there might be some other partially broken branches. Gotta get in there and do that. And whilst I have my chainsaw in hand, I think I'm gonna go cut that mango tree that's blocking the sun on my flowering vine over here. This thing's heavy, man. Heavy. what I just noticed, or I find out now, is that the yellow, all the big old long yellow vines actually went into the mango tree, like all through it, maybe even all the way up to the top, because they're trying to find that sun, you know. And so there's these huge long pieces that I pulled out of there. That's pretty massive. I mean, these are them right here too. From the treetops. All this stuff. Whoa. Time to fill up my inner tube, my new tractor tire inner tube. Hopefully it doesn't have any holes in it, you know. And I need to do something about this valve stem, man. Should be pretty big though. Just remember though, I don't know how many pounds of pressure it's supposed to have. It has it there, but feels good. It's smaller than I actually thought. But yeah. I got a piece of foam. Gonna wrap foam around it. I'll probably put a piece of tape on there. Yeah, I don't want to get in there and all of a sudden the inner tube scrapes my chest or something. Yeah. Anyway, let's get her in the water. Yeah, well, that was pretty cool. I think I'm gonna get one of those nets, you know, you're gonna wrap around the inner tube so that you can sit in it better. I mean, I don't mind getting wet at all, but I did notice that because I have, you know, a ton of fish in there, including catfish,
that I was getting the old back massage a little bit, as well as my feet. My feet I don't worry about, because you know I can move my feet, but they kind of went up under my shirt, I think, like dang, dang, dang. I was like, whoa. But yeah, yeah, it was very you know, comforting out there. This kind of weather, it's all, you know, it's cloudy, so the sun's not baking on you. I'm sure I could fit out a little umbrella on there too if I just wanted to. I could. I was already relaxing, like I could have fell asleep. All quiet out here. Not really any wind, so it wasn't blowing me to the shore anywhere. I was just floating, man. Floating. Floating on an inner tube. Floating on an inner tube. That's what life's all about. But I want to get back out here. The lilies are all closed up, so I took my phone out there. I didn't really get good pictures, I don't think. I took some pictures, but in the morning when the lilies are all full bloom, I could probably get some good shots. Anyway, that's for my Instagram. All right, man. Back at you.